All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Got a beautiful sunset behind me, guys. Hope it's not too glaring in the video, but hey, covered by the sun, S-U-N, and covered by the sun, S-O-N. Those of my Christian brothers know what I mean by that as well. So, hey, glad you made it by the channel. We're going to jump into the market. Just going to give you a very quick wave update. For those of you brand new to the channel, glad you stopped by. I'm an Elliott wave trader. Look for pattern. What we do as Elliott wave traders, we look for patterns of fives and patterns of threes. We put them together in known structures that have rule sets, and then we apply it and see where we can think the general trajectory of the market and the wave shape that we would expect. We use Fibonacci's as well to project targets. Anyway, let's look at Bitcoin. What is this pullback? Is this a reversal, or are we going to the moon? Or are we coming down? What's going on? Well, the best I can tell, guys, this is nothing more than a three-wave pullback in grand scheme of things. You know, we talked about on Sunday night the possibility of going up one more higher before low. That's the part I didn't know, couldn't read in these waves, whether we were going to just roll over and come down, or we were going to go up for a larger correction and then down. And that's the way I'm kind of seeing it right now, at least for now. The structure looks, I've got to count for this to be a five-wave, and I've got to count for it to be a three-wave move. Either way, I see us, sorry about that, I see us retesting the bottom minimum. So if we're looking at this wave as a five-wave move, which, you know, again, I don't want to take a lot of time explaining that, but if it's five, we're looking for three waves back, retest these lows down here, and then we look for continuation to the upside, okay? And we talked about our macro counts here. My wild card count is still kind of in play and working here, where we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right there. And then we're looking at this as an A, B, C that got really extended, but it didn't break that low. So it's still okay. Still a possibility as a wave shape. So looking for a pullback regardless, guys. Looking for a pullback regardless, and then continuation to the upside. That would be one count. What's another count we could look at here? Well, another count is that this was simply a three-wave move right here, and we're going to get continuation to the downside. Get lower lows. We're probably going to break that low. If that's the case, the count that I just shared with you would look pretty extended in that case, guys. Pretty extended, and I wouldn't like it very much at all. So, you know, I would tend to think a lot more of our larger bearish count here. Let me see if I can get it here for you. Our bearish count, which says, hey, we got an A wave right there. We got B, and now we're looking for the C wave to come on down here to anywhere here between 32 to 20K. It could go that deep. So not exactly sure what we're looking at, guys. Not exactly sure what we're getting, but those are the ideas. Nevertheless, guys, we've got to move off the top here. Off the top, that could be reversalish, or we're going to get some more upside to go tonight. Let's look at the small time frame. I'll just kind of show you what I'm seeing here. Let's see. That actually just got invalidated. Let me update this real quick. Just got invalidated. So yeah, this was looking like an impulse back to the upside. This could have been, it can't be a deep 4. No, it can't be that. I have to wait and see how this plays here. But this is actually starting to look a little too deep for a correction. We'll see here. I've got, looking for at the very top, this is the 5-minute chart, guys, just off the top here. This was looking like a corrective wave on the 15-minute chart. We were looking at this with hidden bullish divergence down here. Hidden bull, that's still in play on Ethereum and Bitcoin, that hidden bull or exaggerated bull right there. So I was expecting one more wave to the upside. Now, and it still can come. It still can come, but I'm looking at this wave as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all that would be part of an A, B, C, most likely. So looking also at the CME chart, guys. Let me get a little farther out on the CME chart. We did not close the gap. I thought if we came up this high, why not go ahead and close the gap? So I figured they'd probably go ahead and close the gap. Now trading is closed for now. But probably going to head on up here, close the gap, and then roll over. We'll see if that plays out. Not exactly sure if that's going to play or not. Again, I never know what's going to happen. Just can talk possibilities here so you can be ready. So here's basically, let's just consolidate the thoughts together here. Overall, in the overarching count here, we're either looking for more downside, a lower low, Okay, now this went up in 3 waves. It's finished here or finishing with one more wave to the upside. That's my bias right now based on this hidden bullish divergence down here. It's pretty strong hidden bull divergence, and you see it on the 30, you see it on the 15, you see it on the 10. Okay, you see it, you know, on multiple time frames here in the mid time frames, mid wave time frames here. And so with that said, I'm kind of looking for this, you know, to move up, give us a 5th wave, and we'd count this final wave as 5. The other possibility is we could be looking at this as a WXY where we had, where we had 3 up from the bottom, 3 down, and then 3 up again. So this could get a little bit more extended here with a 5, 3, and a 5. So that's another count as well, where we have where we have a zigzag here instead. My count would then change. Instead of a 5-wave move, we'd actually count that as an A. Oh, sorry. Let's try that again. We count all of this as A, this as B, and then we look for C. And overall, we could pull the fibs on that sucker, find our targets here. Let's find the targets. You know, it gets us up here to 54 to 56 K. Okay, and that's a much larger 3-wave move. That's a possible way to look at this small time frame as well. So either way, I'm looking for an up move, whether it's going to be a 5-wave C or just a 5-wave, 5th wave of an impulse here. Either way, looking for targets anywhere between 52.5 maybe, and I don't know, 56K. That just depends on the wave structure that's formed here. But it's looking pretty good for the upside here, especially again, given all the hidden bullish divergence we're finding here on the 15-minute time frame and the 30 and the 10 and the 5. We see all kinds of bullish divergence there. I think the move that they're making now kind of down is a fake out to some degree, getting us ready for the upside. So that's kind of the way I'm thinking of it, guys. So my final ideas is I'm probably going to get a hit to the high and then down. Now, the question is, how do we go down? Do we go down in 5 waves? Possible. And we make new lows and we continue going, or we go down in 3 waves. We do not break this low. We simply correct. Oops, sorry. Let's try that again. We simply correct this move with a 3-wave pattern, and then we continue. So let's pay attention over the next day. I'll bring a video tomorrow. We'll watch this wave and see what happens here. Does it go down in 5 waves? Does it go down in 3 waves? But the first thing I want to be watching for, do we get this hit to the high? Can't guarantee we're going to get that hit to the high, but it's a strong possibility based on the hidden bull I'm seeing. If they bring this down very quickly, okay, at the daily close, which is about an hour and 40 minutes, which they could roll this over and just take this down very quickly. Then they could take out that hidden bullish divergence, guys. They could totally take it out, give us a 5-wave move. We get a 3-wave pullback, and then we'd be looking for more downside as well. So if they don't take it to the high from this range here, then possibility they're going to finish 5 waves here, pull it back, and then continue down to the downside. Lots of ideas on the table here, guys. This is a very complicated area. If you need help navigating this, we'd love to have you in the Discord. We're navigating it wave by wave. Okay? With that said, you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the channel. And I hope those ideas at least give you something to think about. An introduction to Elliott wave as well, the way we think about wave structure and wave counts. It just depends on what we've got going on, and we need to see confirmation in the current wave structures that are happening. So we're going to wait for confirmation, look to see which one of those counts is being validated in the wave structure, and then we'll move on from there and make our trading decisions from there. All right, have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope that quick wave update is helpful to you and gets you thinking. Again, if you want more teaching in this area, and if you want just more in-depth wave analysis every day, we get 2 lives every day in the lowest tier of my Discord is $40 a month. You get 2 lives a day plus all the educational materials. You can't beat it with a stick. Okay. All right. With that said, have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Again, I said that like 4 times. Anyway, hey, our secret comment for the day is thanks for stopping by the channel. Thanks for stopping by the channel, or any variation of that. If you type that in the comments, that's going to let me know you watched this video all the way to the end, and you're one of my faithful viewers. Thanks so much, and have a great night. Bye-bye.